welcome to our flower. Now we're going to my dog. Oh my god. Yay, my lollipop. This is a lollipop. His name is Sammy. So oh, you lifted something. This is it that lollipop. It that lollipop. Literally it in your mouth. That's not bite, it's cooking, not biting. Uh oh.